Good morning, YouTube. It's the next day, and Josh figured out what was up with the car, and it turns out that I'm a dumbass.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
My bad.
There's a wiring harness that's behind the alarm, and when he put the bolt in, it crushed the wiring harness and actually broke the wire and shorted it to the frame of the car. And so I pulled the wire off and resoldered it and taped it up, so it's all good. It's happy now.
Oops.
It's crazy that one broken wire can disable the entire car.
Yeah. Well, it was a pretty critical wire.
And I'm glad that's what it was, because if it wasn't that, I mean, we would have probably spent days trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
We're gonna button this thing back up, and we can't drive it, damn it, because it's raining now.
Yeah, of course it's raining. We're like, dang
Well,
it.
I'm tempted to still drive it, but
There's the alarm, and when I moved it to that bracket right there, I smashed a wire. My bad. So now we're gonna button up all of this, get this all taken care of, get the bottom trays on. Basically, this thing's all set. You can actually adjust the cables from the diffuser if we have to.
well, I mean, right now it's shifting fine. It's just when we drive it, it'll probably need an adjustment.
yeah, it
we
might
have
need-
to actually probably put what,
Load
100
on it.
or 200 miles on it.
Yeah, we gotta put some miles on it, and we need to put it under load.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna finish buttoning up the interior, get the panels back on, and then this thing's ready for some driving.
Well, this is the first time moving it.
It's the first time it's actually a move under its own power.
Kind of weird without paddles.
It is.
You're so used to having those right there on these.
We're gonna put it on the 4-post so we can put on the bottom panels and button it all up. It's done. Well,
Very, very close.
we still have a few things to button up, but she's done underneath, we think. So it's test drive time and it's rainy. We might have to just suffer with the rain.
People gonna have to suffer because we're driving this car.
Yeah. I mean, it's already kind of dirty, so we might as well just,
Yeah, we're gonna wash it anyway, so.
yeah. Oh well.
All we have to do is
Got the, yeah.
put all that back.
Those things all go back. That's kind of about it, really.
Yep.
Well, this is frustrating. It's all done, ready to go, and we want to take it on a test drive, and the rain's only getting harder. And I just look at the radar, and it's basically gonna downpour the rest of the day. We need the rain, so please bring the rain. But well, shit. I guess I'll just sit here for now, and we'll test drive it hopefully tomorrow. So we'll see then. It stopped raining. Well, it slowed down enough that we're gonna drive it. Oh yeah, let's do this. You are driving a manual that you made.
We just have to take a moment to appreciate what we just did. Seriously.
That's pretty cool, huh?
It's pretty cool.
Dude, it's even got clickety clack.
It does. Oh,
Uh-oh.
oh yeah, it needs an adjustment already. I don't know if it's gonna go back into gear.
Oh. Oh shit. You're like pushing this bit
Let's see.
back.
Oh, we're in fifth.
He'll go into fifth, but ooh. Oh.
We kind of knew this was gonna happen.
Well, this is the
This is why we go and drive it.
Yeah. Shoot.
Now getting back is gonna be interesting because I'm gonna.
Well, it's mostly downhill.
I think it'll go in reverse though.
Okay.
Second, third.
Fourth is a bitch. But it wouldn't do it while it's rolling, so it's
Okay.
still a problem.
Third was kind of. See, now it doesn't want first. Oh, there we go. So it still needs some
It
adjusting.
definitely needs an adjustment.
Okay, we got first, so we'll just.
Dang it. Every time you go to fourth, it has an
Let's
issue.
try third. Yeah,
Yep.
fourth.
Fourth is
Oh,
our...
now see, now second doesn't work.
yeah. So that's binding up.
So whatever. Okay, now it's going in first. So if you go in fourth, it doesn't want to go in fourth.
Yep.
Then you go in third. Then it'll go in second and first.
Okay, yeah. So it's off by a little bit.
It is making that clickety clack sound that I was hoping for.
Oh yeah. Dang. We couldn't get that lucky.
No, we weren't gonna get that. There's no way we were getting that lucky.
Yeah.
Oh, I should probably back it. Huh?
Yeah, I think it's easier. All right, so we pulled off the diffuser, and what I did was had Josh try and get into fourth, and then I moved the left-right arm until it would go into fourth. Once that happened, then I had him put it into fourth, leave it there. I loosened up the shift linkage, undid it 2 turns, which made it come out further. So it's actually pushing left further. Anyway, it's one of those things you just got to do it. Once you've done it, you can you can do it by feel, but it's hard to explain. But anyway, let's take it for another drive. All right, let's see.
Try number 2.
Round 2. Third good, and oh! Go back to third. Yes!
Oh, that was my bad. That was my bad.
You're naughty.
Trying to be too fancy here.
Yes! Yes! Oh shit!
Listen to that.
That clank is so good.
We got no warning lights on the dash.
Yep, no check
Perfect.
engine light.
One thing that's really cool about this kit is that you know, the 430s don't have the shift lights like the 458 or whatever.
Right.
So we can program an RPM and you'll get an S on the screen there that tells you when to shift.
Dude, that's
and we can
badass.
put it at whatever RPM that you want. I think it's default to like 6,500 or
Oh, it's
something.
way too low.
Yeah, so we probably put it at like 8 or 7,500 because it gets there pretty
75,
quick.
yeah.
And you can change that. You can reprogram that anytime you want. Now, we did do the ediff delete on this. I think we'll probably do that on all of them because
Yeah.
it's just, you get rid of all the complete F1 system. You don't have to keep any of it. And, you know, reliability is going to be a lot better.
Change to Manatino. Thanks for it. Oh yeah. Nice.
I tried. We should probably have it in wet mode
Oh, yeah.
since we're driving in the rain. Oh yeah. It feels like the last, I mean, it feels exactly like the last one of these I drove. It's just so much more, like, wants to go faster.
Yeah.
Like, so much more in tune. You're more in tune with the car. And it makes that nice sound, too. Yeah, I'm happy with this.
Ah, it did it again.
We almost had it.
Almost got it. So we gotta give it a little bit more. Yep. Fourth
Yeah,
gear.
I'll go in fifth. It's still having trouble with fourth.
Damn. All right. Well, it's the left right, so I know how to
now
do.
when it downshifted into fourth.
Yeah. But it's a little bit.
That heel toe, it's on point. You need to drive it back.
Okay. Oh darn.
Oh darn.
Don't twist my arm. It's a fairly heavy clutch.
Buckle up for safety.
Oh, jeez. Oh yeah, that's nice. Gotta get used to the clutch. Okay, there we go.
It is a little stiff.
Yeah,
I think
it's a
that's
short
just
throw.
how it is, though.
They're all super short throw on these cars. There it is. Yeah,
You just need to do a little micro adjustment, and I think we're golden.
I think it's a half turn probably, maybe a full turn. No fourth. Nope. Come on.
Just skip fourth for
Yep,
now.
we'll go with that.
The next day.
I adjusted the cables yesterday. We got all set, buttoned everything up. So
Should be good. I adjusted the pedals too. The
yeah, the
brake
pedals
pedal
weren't
was
quite
too
right.
far out, so I got the brake and the clutch perfectly aligned, perfect heel toe.
Yeah,
position.
I actually drove it earlier today, so well, I already kind of know it works. But anyway, spoiler alert: the pedals were off, and it you couldn't heel toe very easily. So
Yeah, we did that.
anyway, we're gonna go for a spin.
It's so effortless to shift it.
Yeah. Fourth
And,
gear.
and if you want to do like just light shifting, it's fine. But if you want to make the sound,
Oh yeah.
you just
The
put a little more
sound.
oomph on it. Seriously though, like if if you're a Ferrari collector or an enthusiast or whatever, and you've got enough money to have a bunch of cars around, this needs to be one of them.
Oh yeah.
A gated 430 needs to be one of them. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Can heel toe now.
Yep. Oh yeah, we're getting
A little squirrely.
a little squirrely. I'm not going to do that again.
Yeah. It's not really good conditions out.
I don't know. It just feels faster. I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah.
Like it accelerates faster or revs faster. I don't know. F1 car that we just got, I drove it home.
Yeah.
And, you know, I love the 430 and everything, but it's just kind of underwhelming. I don't know. After you've driven all these fast modified cars and gated cars, you're just kind of like, eh. But then when
Yeah.
you drive this, it's like, okay, I can do this.
Yeah.
Feels very natural when you're shifting it. Like a lot of cars you get in and you gotta take a few minutes to learn how it shifts or whatever, but I'm heel towing and like downshifting and rev matching, you know, pretty much right away because it just feels very natural. It's awesome. When you've driven a lot of 430s and 360s or whatever, you're used to that hesitation when it shifts. So if you shift it really fast, the shift is really fast in this car and it feels odd at first. You're just not used to it shifting that fast.
Yeah. Same with the sounds it's making.
Yeah.
And everything.
I like the little pops and stuff from the
Oh, yeah.
exhaust. You don't
This
get
thing's
that.
got a cool.
The exhaust on this, we're not even sure what brand it is because it doesn't have a label on it, but it sounds really good. It's got headers, factory cats, and some unknown rear section. I think for the money, you know, you can't really have much more fun than this for the money.
It's pretty amazing.
For what, 140, 150 grand or whatever, you're all in for a gated conversion car. I would opt for a coupe myself because I need a little bit more room, but there's nothing wrong with the Spider. Especially on a nice day with this,
Oh yeah.
it would be a lot of fun. But just the driving excitement, like just the engagement, and I feel more connected with the car. It's more fun to drive. Like this would be really fun to take on a long, spirited drive with a bunch of guys.
Oh yeah.
It'd be hard to pick between this and a 458. I don't know what I would pick.
Well, both.
I mean, yeah, halfway and then switch.
Yeah. I'm a fan. It shifts perfectly. It's got good clicks. The kit itself was pretty easy to deal with. I like it. Definitely need to do more of them.
We will.
Yeah. I guess that's the only problem is we don't have like 3 more kits in stock.
We're working on that.
Yeah. There you go, YouTube. Gated conversion using the Dr. S conversion kit. Actually, he asked us to stop calling it the Dr. S kit because he's trying to change brands to Manuel, or is it Cambio Manuele? Yeah. So Cambio Manuele is his new branding name. Gatedconversion.com, I believe, is his website if you want to do a DIY kit. And then I guess the big news is if you want a conversion done by us, reach out to us, sales@normalguysupercar.com. We are going to actually start offering these to you guys. We've been resisting it for years, and we think it's finally time. Email us. We can get you pricing and all that stuff. And otherwise, this car is for sale, ngsupercars.com. And that's going to do it for this video. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to be doing a lot of cool car stuff, so you're going to want to stay tuned. It's going to be sweet.